One. Is it sour or sweet?
Sour.
Yummy?
Yeah.
Seeing more. There's some more ripe ones back here.
Wait.
Are they still sour? Oh, and you can see him from here.
Look.
Oh, that's a big beetle. There he goes.
Can I touch? Yeah.
No, I don't know what those are.
So we had to take a break from snake hunters because Mom got stung by a bee.
I don't know. Wait. What is that? Snake skin? Baby?
No.
Baby bonus. Baby bonus. Do you see anything?
No.
I don't either. What if you find something? I hope these work. Wait, do you see anything?
No.
No Bobby Boy's baby beagle. Ooh, look, his baby slug. I think that's a slug. Oh yeah, it is. Wait, feel how smooth it is.
Look at this worm over here.
Where?
He's like, I think halfway out of the ground.
Where?
Right there.
Where?
Underneath my camera.
Oh. I don't see. He's right here. Oh. Wait. Let's see if he's my juicy.
Don't pull him. He's not your juicy friend.
Yeah.
I think your juicy friend lives over here.
Dad? Oh. Maybe this is my juicy friend. Ooh, wait. Wait. Let me see if this is my juicy friend. Baby. Wait.
No, your juicy friend's a big bee. He might be in the ground.
Yeah.
You sure?
Wait, is he just pooping on me or what? Wait, Beeble! Bobby Boy's baby Beeble! Sup, dude? Good job, dude. Wait. Look, it's fire hydrant. Dad, look how fat this is. Bro.
No, the ones found in the fire hydrant were a lot bigger. That is a fat one though.
Wait. Ray, come here!
It's a big one.
No, what?
Have you ever gone?
Well, you just have to practice.
Yeah, it's kind of good.
Before you go up, you can practice. Hit it too hard, sir.
Chance for birdie.
Too
Oh,
hard.
that's too hard.
Too little. Too hard. Yeah. There you go. No way. Oh!
I can go again.
No, you don't.
Yes. Mom, 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 mom. Mom, 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 mom,
Mom's taking like 30 practice swings. She really wants this birdie.
Let's get the birdie.
Oh my gosh.
Birdie.
It's not even putting anymore.
Bro, that's why Nemo hit.
Yeah.
Bro.
Go ahead, bro.
Perfect.
Not perfect.
Perfect.
gosh.
Birdie. Birdie.
Two little. Finally.
Oh!
Oh, yeah.
Man.
There you go. Get in the water. Get in the water.
No, sit. Stop. Oh.
That's okay. Okay.
Stop.
And
Let me see your good hit dance.
that's time.
Cool, a bridge. This is the bridge over the Hudson River. We spotted a little library, and that's when all heck broke loose.
Hi.
Gonna warm up with me.
Wait, Mom. Go, Mom. Oh, I should. I should.
What is that face? What kind of face is that, Nina? My mom has the ball. I need some go moms.
Go, Mom. Go, Mom. Go, Mom. Go, Mom. Go, Mom. Is she the one that
Just throw it out there.
ball whenever? I want you to see it crawl.
Wait. Look at how like he starts to take his neck out, so you can get like a close shot of his head. You know. Look at his like orange feet.
Yeah.
Look at his body inside his shell. Look how long his neck is too. Most of the time when I find these, they try to.
Snap them?
No. Most of the time they try and like go in the shell, and they're scared. This guy's like, "Get me out of here!" It's okay, guy.
He's big.
He's a big guy. I'm gonna put him back where I found him.
Can I come? Sup? Hey Nemo, sup? What's up, dude? Ow. Look. Ray, look at all these mushrooms with brains on top. We don't have any brains. Yeah, I do. Don't pick them.
Pretty big mushrooms here. Let's compare it to the size of a soccer ball.
Get it.
Don't bruh.
Try it again.
Dude, careful. I've got the solitaire queen over here.
If I got it,
Just beat solitaire.
I would have went. Oh
No.
Bruh.
Two.
no! 2, 1, 2. Mom's Mickey.
Blue Mickey.
Wait, you try this. I want to take your thing off.
Get in the hole. Ah!
Let's see here. Roll up, fill with a little down, a little bit this, a little bit that.
Just a little bit, yeah.
So we have been drying out the seeds that we've been eating. We have a mango, some apple seeds, cherry seeds, some more apple seeds for some science experiments that we're going to be running here with our Danza Academy homeschool. And then out here, we have these raised garden beds that we didn't end up using this year because we're just doing a million other things. And we have this like bird feeder over here, and in some of, you might be able to see some, there's like sunflower seeds and some other seeds. I just put a Brazil nut in there today. It's still sitting there. And I guess one of the birds or squirrels or something got a sunflower seed and dropped it in there. But we now have a sunflower growing out of there unintentionally. At least I think it's a sunflower. You can see towards the top there. Let's see if I can focus on it. And then over here, we grew mint a couple years ago, and it just keeps growing back every year, so there's some mint. And then I didn't know what that was, but it's actually corn, which I guess somehow again the squirrels or birds or someone dropped one of the corn kernels that was meant for them in there. Now we have corn growing over here too. So we're gonna have we usually grow like tomatoes and peppers, but this year we have corn, sunflowers, and mints.